What's up, guys? This is a 2020 Jeep Wrangler with a 2.0 turbo little 4-cylinder engine. Just did an oil change in it, which is very easy to do. 5 quarts of 5W30. I like to use Pennzoil personally, but it's your choice. Very easy to do that. But after you've done it and you want to reset the service light, let's do that here. Start up the engine. And with your buttons here, notice it says change oil soon. Change oil soon. So go to our, let me get some light in here. Okay, go to your buttons on the left side of your steering wheel and just scroll up. There it is. Here's where it shows you your percentage remaining of oil, and just hold the OK button, which is in the center right there. Just hold it down for a couple of seconds. Okay, let's put it off and in the run position. So do not push the brake on. So we'll put it in run, but engine not running. Okay, let's go back to that. There it is. Hold down. There we go. And it resets. And then, run your engine for 5 minutes or so. Double check your oil level, make sure it's within the marks on your dipstick, and that's it. So simple. Yeah, we got other videos about this vehicle and others on our channel, so check it out. All kinds of stuff on our Horsepower House channel. We're also on eBay, Amazon, 2 YouTube channels. Just Google us, Horsepower House, and if you work on your own motorcycles and power sport vehicles, especially doing engine work and fork boots and drain plugs and things like that, find our eBay store, and you might see some stuff that might help you in the future. So check it out. Anyway, this is a 2020 Jeep Wrangler with a little 2.0 4-cylinder turbo, but I'm sure this will, this will be the same for most all of these Jeeps in this generation. You'll have a good day. We'll see you later.